everyone. Today we're going to talk about running and orchestrating jobs in ETL pipelines in Azure. My name is Joey, and yep, after building your notebooks, you would want to schedule it and run it. And this is a very short presentation, and we'll jump right into the demo after this. So we'll be talking about job scheduling option, creating jobs, and running jobs. So the way to do that is to create a Databricks job, and it can schedule your notebooks, Python script, like below, and just think of it like it's a batch run or a SQL job. If you're from SQL Server, then this is pretty much similar to the SQL jobs. Okay, we're going to ping the. So basically, we're going to load data from SQL Server to Azure Databricks. So I've done that in my previous demo. Just click within the link below or from the playlist. So basically, we're gonna load data from Azure to SQL Databricks, and we're gonna ping SQL Server first. So basically, if it fails, we're gonna stop there and it's not going to continue. And then we are going to ping the Databricks Datawarehouse. So if it's stopped there, the job stops, and then we're going to load the data. The advantage of that algorithm is that you can actually log this and automatically, so if there's an error with your SQL Server connection, log it and automatically create a ticket in your ticketing system. And also this one, so you don't need to continue the job if it's a very complicated job. Okay, and then thank you again. If this is helping you, you can donate to us. To I'm from the Aware IT, and you can donate to us through GCash or through PayPal. So this we're doing this for education, to create jobs for our people, and for other people who needs to learn very quickly. And then if you benefit from this training, please feel free to donate or buy me a cup of coffee or whatever it is. Or if you need things to be done in your office, you can just message me for whatever it needs, whatever it needs to be doing. So I think that's all for now, and we'll jump right into the demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and share, and it's okay. Feel free to download. Yep, we're going to the demo. And I think I already created the demo, no, not yet. I've already created a cooking show demo just to make sure that we have something to show. So I have here in my notebook. So if you're not aware of what a notebook is, so I have this. So I'm gonna ping SQL Server. So just go ahead and connect to the secret, and then get the connection string, and then if it's successful, it's success, and then you just exit this. It doesn't need to do this. So here you can add your troubleshooting. If you have a server error, you can text your operator or send a message to your support team that your SQL server is down. And then we are going to ping the data warehouse, which is the Azure database. Databricks database, which is built in. I don't need to do anything right here, but it functions the same. It's a one line code, but it doesn't have that messaging if the job fails. But it will stop when we are not able to reach this. And then of course, the most complicated one, which is I've done that in a separate demo. this is going to load the connect to Azure SQL Azure, and then connect to the data warehouse, and then it gonna load the data. If it doesn't find the table in the data warehouse, it will create, and then it will add the timestamp when the data is being loaded into the data warehouse. So we will know when it is successful. And then and then we'll go ahead to jobs and pipelines. And I already have that one, and then we're gonna create a new one, job. And then so here you can ping SQL, and then it's a notebook, and then that's the workspace, and we just need to select that and confirm, and then we're gonna add task, cancel, create task, a task, okay, notebook. So this that's the task. Okay, let me just create task notebook. So that's the type of job you want to run. So I want to ping. So we can orchestrate here the ETL workflow, ping data warehouse, and notebook, and now we're gonna ping the answer. Oh, you can choose the type of compute you want to uh, run. We'll talk about that later. We're gonna ping the data warehouse now, and then confirm, and then so you can add keys, encryption if you need, and threshold metrics. There are a lot of properties that you can still configure here, and then we're gonna add another, so same continue. Hang on a second. A task, and then I'm gonna add a notebook again, which is basically our program. I'm gonna load the data to warehouse. And then we're gonna choose the notebook, load data to warehouse, confirm. And then we're gonna create that task. And then we can go ahead to jobs and pipelines. So basically that's a workflow we created. And then you can rename this edit job. Yeah. Demo workflow. And then we can add to schedule that. There's a schedule, so you can add a trigger, so whatever you want. This is a schedule, is the file arrival, or you can choose a schedule from here. So we're not going to do that. This is just a demo. We don't want to run that forever. Okay, we are going to run now. And you're gonna see that you can do the view run, and here we go. And yep, so it's running timeline. So you can see that that where your ETL is already, and then list. It's running ping SQL, and this is the job that it's going to do, but it's block. Okay. No, not. Let's just wait for it. It's just probably having um, trouble. It's actually connecting to my serverless computer, and then we can do view that through a graph. Why isn't she showing a beautiful run? So basically, um, you are supposed to see, this is the cooking job. You're supposed to see something like this, and it's gonna show the run, and then if you have error, you can see the error here. The common error is you are out of compute, or your job fails, or things like that. Those error, it's going to show here where the job stopped. So yeah, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. Now yeah, let's go to that running job one more time, just make sure it works. So here is the, so it's still running, it's stuck somewhere. Just wait for it to oh, it's already green. Oh, so it's already showing up, and it's trying to enter ping SQL Azure. It's actually allocating resources for the run. It would take time. Then if you're experiencing that, you just need to wait for a few minutes before the error will show here. So just wait for a minute. Be patient. I'm not patient usually in everything. So just wait for it to run for a minute or two, and then it will show you the error from there. So that's all for now, and thank you for watching. Again, please feel free to yeah, help us, or yeah, continue this pre-education on the web. And yeah, just go ahead and recap. So basically, we did job scheduling, we create job, and then we run job, and then we monitor the job in the Azure, yeah, Azure uh, monitoring graph, and then yep, that's that's the job we did, and then yep, thank you, and don't forget to donate. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. Again, see you again on the next upcoming, yep, upcoming trainings. There's a playlist below that you can use to view the rest of the stuff that I need. I actually store data in secret. We create a job. We being SQL Server, and then it's gonna tell you how to create a Databricks in Azure, so you can learn. That's all for now, and see you again for more upcoming training.